In the past, many of our customers would say that the 2D drawing is what defines the product. But as products become more complex, maintaining that information on the face of the drawing becomes a hindrance to product development as a whole. And the idea of part-centric PLM is this idea of eliminating that document-based approach of the 2D drawing and decomposing that information and managing it at the part level to represent the complete product definition within PLM itself. And what this does is it unleashes not only efficiencies around change and understanding change and reacting to change, but it's also essential to take advantage of the broader capabilities of PLM as we move down the digital thread. Now manufacturing has visibility into the product, how it's configured. They can start planning concurrently based on the design artifacts that are associated to that product structure and building plans around how they're actually going to build the product and even provide feedback into the design world, so provides that opportunity for concurrent engineering to truly happen. When that information was simply locked on the face of the drawing, you had two problems. They'd have to wait until that drawing was complete and they had that particular document, and then they could start decomposing that to perform their various manufacturing tasks, as an example. But the other thing was, what if something changed? The drawing changes. How do I know? How do I know if that actually impacts me? When you start thinking and working in a part-centric way, you can much more easily identify the impacts of change because it's at the individual part and component level. It's very easy to see what's actually changed. Then you can more easily identify the stakeholders that need to at least evaluate the impacts of that change and then ultimately execute on that change. So you become much more efficient when you start thinking and working in a part-centric way. It's the launching point for truly taking advantage of PLM, moving away from a more PDM or document-based approach, but truly embracing the power and the value of PLM. It's essential that you start working and thinking part-centric. Once you start to think in a part-centric way, it unleashes the powerful configuration management capabilities within the PLM system, where you have not only visibility into the product as it exists today, but you have the full history of how that product has evolved from its inception all the way through its development and its release to manufacturing and into service as well.